I just discovered a video platform where you begin earning immediately you join. What I mean, this video platform doesn't have any threshold. You don't need 4,000 watch hours to begin earning. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to begin earning. This video platform is changing content creation game. You don't need anything to begin earning. Immediately you join, immediately you create an account on this video platform, you start getting paid. As we all know, platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all of these platforms, yes, they pay, but they have different regulations. For example, TikTok doesn't pay every location, and creators end up making content just for fun. And this platform that I'm talking about, it is here to change the game. The platform I'm talking about pays creators around the world. Whenever you are located, immediately you create a channel on this platform, you get paid immediately. No thresholds, no regulations. So in this video, I'm going to show you this particular platform that I'm talking about. I'm going to show you how to create a channel on this particular platform, and I'm going to show you how to monetize your channel immediately you join. I'm also going to show you how to withdraw the money from the platform, because that is very important for everyone that joins this platform. So this video is going to explain you everything that you need to know about this platform. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, the platform I'm talking about, it is called Rumble. Rumble, you can look at it as YouTube. You can take it as YouTube. Though Rumble is more different from YouTube. Rumble has more features than YouTube, and Rumble doesn't have those kind of big guidelines, hard guidelines, those kind of threshold, the things that YouTube has been pulling out, the things that YouTube has been putting out to make content creation very hard for creators. Rumble has changed the game. And with my point of view, I think Rumble is better compared to YouTube, because it is very hard to make it on YouTube as a small creator compared to Rumble. And now let's dive into Rumble. Now, to access Rumble, you open your browser, and for this case, I'm gonna use Chrome. You can use your favorite browser, but for this case, I'm gonna use Chrome. And once you search for Rumble, this will pop up. So you're gonna click at this first site right here, or where you see this logo right here, the green logo in a white color. It's gonna load and the platform will appear. As you see, Rumble looks the same as YouTube. It has long videos, it has live streams, and it also has shorts, just as YouTube. But with Rumble, as I said, Rumble has more options. Rumble has less regulations, as I'm gonna show you. Now, once you reach right here, the first thing you have to do is to actually create an account. And to create an account is very simple. You just click right here, click at sign up. And once you click at sign up, they'll ask you only two things. They'll need your email and your birthday. After putting your email and your birthday, you click at next. This will pop up. They'll ask you to enter your username, gender, country, and you have to check this box below. Then you click at next. Once you click at next, this will pop up. They'll ask you to enter and confirm your password, and your password must contain at least these characters you see right here that has highlighted. Then you click at next once again. Once you click at next, they'll send a verification code to your email, the same email you provided at the beginning. So you open your emails and copy this code and come back, paste the code right here, and then after you click at next. Once you do that, you'll be redirected back to the homepage of Rumble. And when you look at this homepage, it looks exactly as YouTube. In a few seconds, this pop-up message will appear, and you'll have to choose your interests before you continue. I recommend choosing interests related to your content. For example, if you do music, you choose music, entertainment. You literally choose interests that are related to your niche. And you'll have to follow at least one channel. Then click done. After clicking done, once it loads, you're done with creating your channel on Rumble. And now the next thing to do is to set up your channel. To set up your channel, you will need to click at this profile right here, or the profile icon right here. You click at the profile icon, this will pop up, and you're gonna click at account settings right here. And once you click at account settings, this will pop up. You go straight to profile right here, you click at profile, and this will pop up. Now, once you reach right here, they'll ask you to actually set up your channel. Right here, you're uploading your channel profile and your channel banner. The first thing you're gonna do is to upload your profile picture. You're gonna click right here and then choose a profile picture as I'm doing it right here. As you see, my profile picture just appeared right here. So I'll definitely click at the check mark right here to save my profile picture, and as you see, it is uploading. So I have to wait for it, and boom, my picture is done uploading. So I'll do the next thing, which is splash picture or my channel banner. I'll definitely have to click at upload splash picture right here. I'll go ahead and choose a banner from my computer storage, and I'll definitely click at open right here, and boom, my banner is right here. You need to make sure that you click at this check mark to save your banner or your profile picture whenever you're doing this. As you see, my banner is done uploading. Now after that, the next thing to do is to add the description of your channel, just as YouTube. And now boom, my channel description is right here. After that, when you scroll down here, there is these options which are socials, connecting your other social media accounts. There is Facebook, there is X, there is Instagram, and Truth Social. If you have any of these, you can actually link them as you do it with YouTube. Now after putting everything, after including every information, you click at update right here to save everything you've actually put, and as you see, the changes have been successfully saved. And now when you look at my profile picture right here, you're gonna realize that my profile picture has reflected and it is successfully set up. And now after that, the next thing you need to do is to upload a video on your new Rumble account. I recommend that before you monetize your new Rumble account, first upload a video on your new Rumble account. And to upload a video is very simple. Let's do it from the home page. Let's get back to the home page. Okay, from the home page, you will see this icon right here, the upload icon. So you definitely click at this icon and you're gonna see upload video, go live. As I said, Rumble is exactly as YouTube. You can upload videos, you can upload shorts, you can even go live. So I'll definitely click at upload video right here, and this interface will pop up. So you definitely click at this icon right here, and it's gonna take you to your storage so that you can actually choose the video you will need to upload, just as YouTube. So I'll go ahead and choose my video right here, and as you see, my video is uploading. Just as YouTube, when you come to this part of thumbnails, there are these 3 thumbnails that Rumble has generated from my original video. In case I don't have a thumbnail, I can choose the thumbnail, but I recommend you always have a customized thumbnail. So I'll definitely have upload a customized thumbnail, a thumbnail I designed particularly for this video. I'll definitely have to click right here to go to my storage and get my thumbnail right here, and then I'm gonna open the thumbnail and I'm gonna upload it right here. And now after that, we go back to video title and description. You need to make sure that you put a video title and a description, just as YouTube. And now as you see, I'm done putting my video title and I'm done putting my video description. So the next step is about category. This is very, very important when it comes to search engine. Remember, you just created a new channel on this platform, so you need to make sure that you explain the video category so that their algorithm knows which kind of content you are uploading on your new channel, so that it looks for the right audience that will actually watch your content. For this case, this is a music video, so I'll definitely have to choose at music right here. And now after adding your video category, you scroll down and you're gonna see right this option, tags. You have to add your video tags, just as YouTube. And as you see, those are my video tags. Now once you're done putting your video tag, you scroll through and you're gonna see this box right here, feature video, on the top of your profile. I recommend you do this for your first video so that you have your video featured on top of your profile. So I'll definitely check this box right here to get my video featured on my profile. And now after that, visibility options will come next, and you have to choose which one you need. But for this particular one, I'll definitely choose public, because first of all, this is my first video, and secondly, this is a tutorial. But you can always schedule, you can always private, and even unlist them depending on your uploading schedule and the reason why you're uploading that particular video, just like we do with YouTube. Now after choosing the visibility option, there is also this last option right here, send mobile push notification to followers. So you will definitely check right here. Always make sure that you check this option right here. And now after that, you click at upload right here, and after clicking at upload, this is gonna pop up. Now right here, it is where things get interesting and very different compared to YouTube. Now before you publish your video, before you upload your video to public, Rumble will always ask for your permission on how they recommend your video, on how they promote your video. As you see right here, your licensing option. Now the first licensing option is video management, which is exclusive. Now when you click at this first option, it definitely means that you're giving Rumble full access to your video, full permission permission and full rights to your video. It definitely means that this video, you cannot upload it elsewhere after uploading it to Rumble. It definitely means that this video, you cannot upload it to YouTube, you cannot upload it to TikTok, you cannot upload it to Instagram or elsewhere. You're giving Rumble full rights to promote your video on your behalf. Rumble will post your video to YouTube, Rumble will post your video to TikTok on your behalf, Rumble will post your video elsewhere but on your behalf. The second option is right here, which is video management. Now, video management, this definitely means that you're excluding YouTube. You're giving Rumble the rights to promote your video, to upload your video elsewhere, excluding YouTube. They'll post your video to TikTok, they'll post your video to Facebook, Instagram, but they will not post your video to YouTube. So it definitely means that if you choose this option, you can upload your video to YouTube, but you cannot upload this same video to TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms that are not YouTube. The third option, and this is the option I recommend for every creator, this is Rumble only. When you choose Rumble only, non-exclusive, similar to YouTube, it definitely means that you're giving Rumble the restricted rights to only publish, to only promote, to only recommend your video on the platform within Rumble itself. And now this is the last option, which is personal use. Personal use definitely means your video will not be monetized on Rumble, not even searchable, not available to your subscribers. You can refer this option as unlisted on YouTube. Unlisted definitely means that you can share the link of this video and people can watch this video by only having the video link. But if someone doesn't have the video link, they cannot watch this video. And this works better for people that sell online courses. And also one thing you need to understand, when you choose video management, you're giving Rumble permission and rights to distribute your video on all other social media platforms, and you're not allowed to upload that video elsewhere. But now the most interesting thing is that once you do that, once you give Rumble permission to distribute your video, whenever Rumble distributes your video, let's say Rumble has distributed your video to YouTube, TikTok, or elsewhere, when people watch that video will be monetized, and whenever people watch that video, you're gonna earn money from that video. Let's say Rumble has distributed your video to YouTube, you'll earn every view you get on YouTube from the video you uploaded on Rumble. So these two options are better if you're looking at earning more money from Rumble, though they limit you from re-uploading your own content to other social media platforms. After choosing one of the options, you scroll down and now you're gonna come at terms and conditions. You have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties. I'll definitely check this one because I've not done that. And the second box is check here if you agree to our terms of service. I'll definitely check right here because I agree with their terms of service. And now after that, you click at submit right here. And as you see on this next screen, my video is done uploading. Video upload is complete. You can also click right here to view the video you just uploaded. And as you see, this is the video I just uploaded. Now, after that, the next thing you need to do is to prove that your account is monetized. And to prove that your account is monetized, you come back here at home, you click at your profile, and then what you're gonna do is to click at dashboard, the second option right here. And once you click at dashboard, this will pop up. Once you see this dashboard with these dollar signs, it definitely means that your account is monetized. And the video I just uploaded right here, as you see, it is also monetized, counting $0, just because I just uploaded it a few seconds ago. I think I'm gonna make a video and show you how much Rumble paid me on this particular video after 1 week. Now, once you're done confirming that your Rumble account is monetized, what you're gonna do next is to verify your account so that you can make a withdrawal from your channel. Remember, on YouTube, to make a withdrawal, you need to make up to $100, which is not the same case with Rumble. With Rumble, once you make $50, you can withdraw the $50. Rumble is not like YouTube, where you need an AdSense account, AdSense pin, and those kind of long process to make a withdrawal. Here, you only do one thing, you verify your account. And verifying your account is within the platform. You just click at this profile picture right here, and you go ahead and click at account settings right here. And once you click at account settings, you're gonna click at verification right here. And once you click at verification, you're gonna add your phone number right here. And when adding your phone number, do not add your phone number with with country code. As they say, phone number without country code right here. And after adding your phone number, I recommend you click right here, mobile phone text message, so that they just text you the verification code on your mobile number. And now once you're done verifying with your mobile number, you are now fully monetized on Rumble and you can make a withdrawal from your Rumble account. Now lastly, and the most important part, is how to make a withdrawal from this platform. I'll definitely come back here at the home page so that you don't get confused. Now what you do to actually make a withdrawal once you have the money on your channel, you click at your profile picture as usual, and then what you're gonna do this time around is to click at account settings right here. And once you click at account settings, you click at settings right here, and you're gonna see this screen right here. At this screen, you will need to add this information: your full name, your phone number, and remember, when adding your phone number, add the same number you added on the previous step. And after that, you add your address, your street address to city, state or province, postal code or zip code. The country is already added. And with payment type, the only payment type Rumble is currently supporting is PayPal. You can check the link to Rumble in the description. I also pin that link in the comment section. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Check out this video if you're still struggling with monetizing your YouTube channel. If you still want to monetize your YouTube channel and you're finding hardship to get the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, check out this video, because in this video I explain how you can get the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within 7 to 21 days. And this method has worked for a lot of creators here on YouTube. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.